Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I bought some hair tie. Okay, I hope I will not bleed to death. Okay, I didn't. So I have a lot of hair pins, hair clouds. Not a lot. I have bought some hair clouds, and the truth is that actually something the most comfortable is actually just a hair tie, a rubber band, and with cotton or with fabric wrapping. And then I was thinking maybe I should make myself a little bit different. So I got this one. This is a new design. By itself, it's a flower. You see. If I tie one, no, one is not enough. I need to tie one roll. So when you tie one roll, it is something like this. Still, it's a big flower. Oh, sorry. So without tying a roll and with tying one round, it is still a relatively large flower. I want to have this effect. I think it's good. And I have seen some pure white color. I cannot wear pure white. In my culture, pure white is for funeral. I cannot wear it. So I have chosen this one. I think it's quite a good design, and it does not look very filmy and very it has some solidity. It's pretty good. You see, this is the normal small one. I bought it many years ago. And you tie it. It has a very small tie. And very often it just go this way. It does not even look good when you that looks a little bit good. And this way it's actually can come out like a flower. Might be pretty good. Let me try. I think it's good. And it's relatively tight for my hair. I think it's just perfect. Let me try. So tomorrow when we do makeup, we can take a look at this. I personally think this might be working. Want to see it? Are you seeing it? Let me raise a little bit high. My head should be here. Yeah, I think. Okay, we try this color. shall we try this color? I don't know whether you can see it. Let me put my head somewhere. So this way the flower is a bit larger. I think it's good. Kind of like it. That's a good design. How did they put the last one in? Maybe they put it in and then band it together. The technology is quite good. The skill work is quite good. 3 big flowers. Okay, time have a cup of tea, and if I can, I will do some yeah, make it. This is a good one, I think. Okay, a cup of tea. And this one is chamomile. Oh, I got this pretty glass to show you the color. And this is my video mug. This is my home mug. When there's nobody seeing and nothing special, I use this mug. This mug has a name. My family, one of my family member has a name on it, and I have used it so long, so many times, so often. That one is already washed out. I like big mug, so I get a more even out tea. That's about it. I am about to see if I can do some voiceover of my travel to Palo Alto, to another place is the restaurant in Placerville. Yeah, things like that. Okay, just do you hear me or hear the background sound? I do not want to go to sleep, and I'm a little bit tired, and I enjoy here. Oh my goodness, it is so good to be on break. I want it to be forever and ever and ever and ever. Ever and ever and ever. Never stop. No end of the break. Never, ever stop. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Let me put the hot water a little bit further away. I want to fall asleep. Goodbye, bye. Bye.